Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Chandrika. So as per today's caption, you already know what we are gonna do today. So let's get into the tutorial.
All the pain, I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry.
Today I'm going to be playing with Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I remember many of my subscribers requested me to do some affordable makeup. So here on we'll be concentrating much on such type of videos. So let's go ahead and check out the swatches. As always, we will be priming our eyes with a concealer, and then I'm going to dab it with a wet sponge and put on some translucent powder so that the blending would be easy. Now I'm going to take this darkest shade, the brown shade, and slowly pat it on to my inner corner. I'm just patting on the eyeshadow, I didn't start blending it. I'm going to do the same on the outer corner. Today we are going to be creating a halo eye. So just pat on the shadow, don't blend it yet. Now I'm going to take one shade lighter and then I will apply it on top of the shadow, and I will start blending slowly. We are trying to achieve a gradient eyeshadow here, so as the shadow goes to your brow bone, it should fade away. That is our goal. Now I'm going to take this light orange shade and apply it closer to my brow bone, and now we will start blending with a fluffy brush. Make sure there is no eyeshadow in the mid of the lid because we will be applying a shimmer. It will take some time, but it is worth the wait. I shall repeat the same process on my lower lid also. I will be applying the darkest brown on to the outer corner and inner corner of my lower lid, and we will start blending the same way. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and take this shimmer eyeshadow and will slowly start patting in the mid of my lid. Look at that beautiful shimmer, guys. I'm really in love with this palette. It's so affordable and the shades are very good. I really like this palette. In order to avoid any harsh lines, let us blend it again. I will take this angle brush and I will take the black shadow and apply it near the lash line of my inner and outer corner, so that when we apply mascara or lashes, it will give us beautiful 3D effect. We will repeat the same process near our lower lash line also. Wow, look at that, guys. Isn't it looking beautiful? In the same way, we will start blending with the fluffy brush and then apply mascara. Make sure you apply it carefully. There is shimmer on your lid. Now I'm going to take Bronson Professional eyelashes. These are very affordable eyelashes and I've used them twice before and they are very easy to wash also. So I'm going to pop on these eyelashes. Look at that beautiful look. Isn't it pretty? So I'm going to take this silver shade and then apply it on my inner corner and then near my brow bone. Just look at that, guys. Can you believe we have created this look with just under 500 rupees? Isn't it beautiful? So let me know what eyeshadow look or what brands I should try next, and we will do this affordable makeup a lot from now on. And thanks a lot for watching. Please hit subscribe and the bell button, and I love you guys. See you again. Bye guys.